Hi, so today I'm here to fix this cluster lashes. This is the first time I would be fixing this myself, or this is the first time I would ever fix a cluster lashes. This lashes is from Mascaco. Mascaco. I don't know if I'm actually pronouncing that right, but yeah. So the lashes is actually new, but I took some out to give my sister, so that's why it looks like it's not complete, but it's complete. It's brand new. So it has different lengths in the lashes pack or whatever lashes case. So it has 16, 14, 12, 10 and 8. Everything are in different lengths. So in case you guys see this video, you guys can come and work with me because I'm actually looking for brands to work with. I am open now to work with brands. So this is the bond I'm going to use for my lashes today. I do not know what I'm looking at, but yeah, this is the lashes of the bond I'm going to use. I didn't actually get the bond and seal, so I'm actually using this. So I've been watching a lot of like tutorials on how to fix individual lashes, cluster lashes, and I think I've learned one or two. Hey, let me not go and bite my tongue go because okay, so first off, after washing my face and washing my lashes, I mean whatever my lash, my natural lash, you get what I'm saying, right? Yeah. So I have to like brush my lashes before fixing my individual or cluster lashes. I don't know why I'm calling it individual. This is not individual. This is actually a cluster lashes. Okay, so now the work actually begins. So now I'm taking this in the length 14. I should have used 16 first, but I was like, I didn't actually want the lashes to be too long, so I decided to start with 14. So I don't even know why I'm brushing my eyelashes again. No, I don't know who sent me, but yes, I'm just trying to brush and brush. I have already put the bond on the lashes, so I'm actually waiting for it to get tacky before I apply that under my eye. Like, this is the first time I'm actually doing this, and in my mind here I was just thinking like, hey, God help me, because hmm, are you all noticing the way my fingers are shaking right now? Like, I was so scared, like, oh Jesus Christ. Well, the lashes is actually tacky now, so don't even look at my face. What is oh God, oh God. My eyeballs be popping like oh God. I should have given you guys a warning. So I actually tried that the first time, but the lashes didn't actually work. So I had to try it again. So this is the second time I'm going to try. Like, like this was actually so hard, especially fixing the left eye. It was like very, very hard. Like, I almost gave up. I almost just said, okay, in fact, Biko, I am not doing again. But I just really wanted to do this myself and see how it would look. I couldn't wait to see how it would look. So finally, after trying and trying, I finally fixed the lashes. It stayed in place. Like, I was like super duper happy. I was so excited. But the thing is, I felt like this length was like really short for the outer part, so I decided to take it off after all that stress. So hey, mm, 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 mm. After all that stress, I had to take out that lashes, and I took 16 millimeters. Is it millimeter be centimeter? I do not even know. Like, God, I took the 16 and I fixed that at the outer part of my lashes, and I think I actually prefer this length than the 14 millimeter or centimeter, whichever one. Now I'm taking the second length, that's 14 millimeter, and I'm just going to put that under my lashes. Like, the struggle was like it was not here at all. Like I would just be turning and twisting my hands up and down just to find a way to fix this thing well. Like it wasn't easy at all, guys. So yeah, I actually forgot to tell you the style of the lashes. The lashes is in fluffy. This is in fluffy. That's why it looks like very very light. Um, I actually like the style because at the end it actually looked really natural, like what I would like, not something too much. Yeah. Okay, y'all. Please ignore my old looking tweezers. Like these tweezers have suffered. It's actually begging for help. It's begging for mercy. It wants me to just throw it away and get a new one. But I'm like, no, no, you have to serve me more. Like it has to like do more work for like 2 3 years more or 5 more years more. Like I don't know what I'm saying, but it's not going anywhere for now. So I was actually getting the hang of it right now. It was like actually getting easier to fix, but notice there's like a little bit of space there, and that's what I was trying to fix. I was trying to push the lashes together, but it wasn't moving. All right, so I decided to move to the right eye. I'm not actually done with the left eye, but I just felt like if I start the right eye, they will not look like too different from each other. But I am almost done with the left eye. Like, hey, my eye saw shaggy. My eye saw pepper because the kind of like breeze that just entered my eye, like my eye was actually hurting me. I just had to just, try, endure, so I can, fix this cluster. I'm back to my right eye, and this is the 14. The first one was 16, and this is 14. So I'm actually looking at the lashes. Like I was sweating. Like I was sweating like a Christmas chicken. Oh God. But yeah, I was looking at the lashes because I was trying to check if they look the same, but they didn't look the same. Like the left one was looking like lower than the right one. The right one was going up. The right one was giving cat eye. So I even had to take off the left one and I had to fix it again. Like I just wanted it to be perfect. I actually tried though because this is how my lashes is looking. Like it's actually hard to talk. I don't even know. Like this is how my lashes is looking. This is what we're giving. Just look at how nice, how fine we're looking. Mm. Just look at all the poses I am giving you all. Like, oh God. Oh God. I don't even know why I just did my lip like that, but yeah, I don't know what was smelling. Nothing was smelling though, and I do not even know what I was looking at. Like, okay, I guess someone was actually moving about outside. So yeah, this is just it. This is all, and my lashes is actually giving. I liked how it looked after the struggle. It actually turned out nice. I was so happy. Look at me dancing, smiling, posing, everything. Like, please, I beg. Now I can rest because hmm, it was not easy at all. I tried. Please clap for me, Jerry. Thank you so much for watching. Like, I don't even know why I just did that again, but yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.